So now you have a camera. You thought buying a camera would make you a good photographer, but no, you didn't listen to all the YouTubers. So you went ahead and bought the whole kit. Camera came with a kit lens and a microphone and everything, and you think it's gonna make you a videographer slash photographer combined superpower. But you realize that your photos aren't really coming out good. It doesn't have a separation from the background. Background doesn't look separate from the photo. It just looks like an iPhone photo, just better quality. In this video, I'm gonna show you a couple things you can do to fix that. So let's get to it. Let's talk about the first thing. The first thing you can do is bring objects closer to the foreground. And what this is gonna do is give a little bit of depth to your photos and make your subject pop out a little. It's gonna add a little bit of blur, or it's not gonna add a blur, but it's gonna bring the user or your audience, it's gonna tell the audience, this is my subject. It's gonna make your audience focus more on the subject. Second thing you can do is shoot through objects. So this is kind of like the first thing, but a little bit of difference. So what you want to do is shoot through an object. So shoot through leaves, shoot through something that leads the audience to your subject. Shooting through a tree branch, shooting through a small pipe that you can put your lens through and shoot your subject. This will make your audience focus more on the subject and bring your audience's attention right onto the subject instead of everything being in focus. Third thing you can do is buy another lens. I know this seems like the last option you want to do after you bought the camera and the lens. This is the 50mm 1.8. Every manufacturer that makes cameras, they have their own version of this lens. Sony has their own version, Nikon has their own version, Canon has their own version, and then there's outside like Sigma, Tamron, other companies that also make this lens. So I've seen this lens on eBay or Amazon for as low as like 50 bucks. So you can also buy this lens, and this would also fix the problem of making your background look blurry and make your subject pop out a little bit more. This is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.